What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in my home country, our home country of Sri Lanka, and we are on our way to the south coast. Actually, we are going to check out two restaurants, one at the Galle Fort called Toddy by HOPPA, which is actually a bar as well, and the other one is in Unawatuna, which is very close to Galle, called Show by HOPPA. It's right on the beach, and I saw some pictures. It looks really cool, so I can't wait to get there and share it with you guys. So let's go.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you.
By the way guys, I just wanted to pop in and let you know that we are taking a car this time to Galle, but it's super easy to travel to Galle via bus, and if you're interested in how much it costs, what's the transport like, etc., I have a highlight on my Instagram bio where I did a trip to Galle, just me and a girlfriend, and we took the bus and everything, including cost, time, all of that is there. So I highly suggest you check that out if you want to know how to get to Galle in a bus.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. For the thrill of it, for the thrill of it. For the thrill of it, for the thrill of it.
Hey guys, so we're at the Galle Fort right now. The drive was about 15 minutes. Traffic was okay, so we're here and we're gonna go check out HOPPA for dinner.